Good morning. Welcome to the class of economics of class 9. This is chapter 4. This is part 8 video and you can open page number 34. In this very video we will be discussing about characteristic of underdeveloped economies and distinction between developed and underdeveloped economies. So first we will discuss characteristic of underdeveloped economies. In this very topic we will be discussing basically 12 points, that is the low per capita income, that is the characteristic of underdeveloped economy, low level of living. Second characteristic, high growth rate of population, agriculture, unequal distribution of income, problems of unemployment and underemployment are the characteristic of underdeveloped economy. Low level of productivity, dualism, technology backwardness, underutilization of resources, underdeveloped infrastructure, weak administration. So these are the characteristics of underdeveloped economies. Let us discuss in detail one by one. So low per capita income. One of the main features of underdeveloped economy is low per capita income. Low per capita income means per person income of the country. Per capita income is so low that a large proportion of the country's population lives below poverty line. The per capita income देश का इतना कम है कि बहुत अधिकांश जनसंख्या बीपीएल बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन में से नीचे रहती है. The main reason for low per capita income in these countries are low level of national income as a result of low productivity, low rate of saving and investment, use of outdated technology and underdevelopment of resources. These are the causes of low per capita income. Next cause, low level of living. The living standard in underdeveloped economy is very low. For example, the per capita per day calorie intake in India, Kenya and Bangladesh are 2400, 2100 and 2000 respectively, whereas in countries like USA, France and UK, these figures are 3642, 3593 and 3270 respectively. So you can compare very easily. Majority of population in underdeveloped countries suffer from ill health, malnutrition. Human Development Index varies between 0.3 to 0.4 in underdeveloped countries as against between 0.8 and 0.9 in developed countries. So the Human Development Index varies from underdeveloped countries and developed countries from 0.3 to 0.4 in underdeveloped countries and 0.8 to 0.9% in developed countries. The next point, that is the characteristic of underdeveloped economy, is high growth rate of population. The rate of population growth in underdeveloped economy is quite high as compared to developed countries. डेवलप्ड कंट्री की तुलना में अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्री में पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ज़्यादा होता है. दिस हैज़ बीन ड्यू टू द फैक्ट दैट द मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ now available in these countries have effectively brought down the mortality rates among all sections of the society, whereas the birth rate continues to be high due to widespread poverty, ignorance and religious orthodoxy. Fast growing population in underdeveloped countries is both a cause as well as effect of underdevelopment. यहाँ पे population ज़्यादा होने के कारण क्या है कि हेल्थ फैसिलिटी अच्छी है जिससे डेथ रेट कम हो रहा है और इलिटरेसी पॉवर्टी कारण बर्थ रेट ज़्यादा है. ठीक है. दूसरा, इग्नोरेंस और रिलीजियस ऑर्थोडॉक्सी भी पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ का कारण बना हुआ है. सो दीज ऑल रिलेटेड टू द अंडर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द अंडर डेवलप्ड इकोनॉमी. नेक्स्ट इज एग्रीकल्चर. Most underdeveloped countries have agricultural economies. Generally, agriculture is the main occupation of the people in underdeveloped countries. Nearly 70 to 85% of the national population gets its living from agriculture. About 50% of the national income in underdeveloped countries comes from agriculture, whereas their percentage is just 2 to 4 in developed countries. Whereas you can compare easily the agricultural occupation of developed countries 72 to 4%, whereas developing countries is 70 to 85%. The export of an underdeveloped economy largely consists of agricultural products and agricultural raw materials. Thus, the economic development of such country depends to a great extent upon agriculture. So, जो अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्री है उसका इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एग्रीकल्चर पे ही डिपेंड करता है. उसकी अधिकांश आबादी एग्रीकल्चर पे ही डिपेंडेंट है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ अंडर डेवलप्ड इकोनॉमी. Next characteristic of underdeveloped economy is that unequal distribution of income. The underdeveloped countries, there exists widespread inequality in the distribution of income. A large part of the national income accrues to a smaller section of society, while the larger proportion have to be satisfied with the smaller part of the income. For example, according to an estimate, the top 20% of the India's population obtains 45.3% of national income, whereas the poorest 20% of India's population gets only 8.1% of the national income. So you can see the difference. This gap between rich and the poor is generally greater in less developed nations than in developed nations. So the gap in developed and underdeveloped is very clear. Next characteristic of underdeveloped economy is that there is the problem of unemployment and underemployment. The existence of widespread unemployment is a common feature of underdeveloped economies. Unemployment is caused by several factors like rapid population growth, low rate of economic development, poor rate of capital formation, defective educational system, and lack of investment opportunities. Besides this, there exists a problem of underemployment in large scale and underdeveloped economies. Under it, people are partially employed. In other words, they do not get full-time jobs. It has been estimated that underemployment and unemployment taken together constitute nearly 30% of the total workforce. Unemployment और underemployment जो है 30% of the workforce को constitute करता है. There also exists disguised employment in underdeveloped countries. Disguised unemployment किसको कहते हैं? Disguised employment refers to a situation where more person are working a job that are actually required. जितना कम आदमी में काम हो सकता था उसमें ज़्यादा आदमी को एम्प्लॉय किया जाता है, उसको disguised unemployment बोलते हैं. Disguised unemployment is thus hidden and cannot be openly seen. Disguised employment जो होता है वो hidden होता है, इसको देखा नहीं जा सकता, क्योंकि जिस काम को 5 आदमी कर सकते हैं उसी काम में 10 आदमी लगे हुए हैं. तो ये किस तरह का अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है? डिसगाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है. 5 आदमी एक्स्ट्रा उसी काम में जुड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन काम वो एक्चुअली 5 ही आदमी का है और कर रहे हैं 10 आदमी. तो 5 आदमी एक्स्ट्रा कर रहे हैं, जिसका मतलब इसको क्या हुआ? डिसगाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है ये. नेक्स्ट characteristic of underdeveloped economy is low level of productivity. In underdeveloped countries, the productivity of labor is very low, which in turn result in low level of national income. Low labor productivity is caused by a number of factors like lack of availability of inputs, poor health, absence of work incentives, and lack of institutional infrastructure. Low level of productivity का क्या कारण है? Input की कमी, खराब स्वास्थ्य, absence of वर्क इंसेंटिव, जब कोई अच्छा काम करता है तो उसको इंसेंटिव नहीं दिया जाता. लैक ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशनल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की कमी भी लो प्रोडक्टिविटी का कारण है. नेक्स्ट इज डुअलिज्म. डुअलिज्म इज फाउंड इन अंडरडेवलप्ड इकोनॉमी. द टर्म डुअलिज्म implies the existence of two different segments in the economy. One segment of economy is fully developed, organized, which is market oriented, wherein modern techniques of production are used, and the other segment is unorganized and underdeveloped, which makes यूज़ ऑफ ओल्ड एंड आउटडेटेड टेक्निक्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. एक तरफ मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स मार्केट मैकेनिज्म का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, जबकि दूसरी तरफ आउटडेटेड ओल्ड फैशन टेक्निक का यूज़ किया जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड डुअलिज्म. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अंडरडेवलप्ड इकोनॉमीज. नेक्स्ट इज टेक्नोलॉजिकल बैकवर्डनेस. In underdeveloped countries, technologies of production are backward. The main cause of this is the capital-intensive techniques are not suitable for these countries because of existence of large unemployed population on the one hand and lack of capital on the other. Furthermore, research and development facilities are not adequate here. According to an estimate, 95% of the world's scientific research is confined to only 20 developed countries. The rest of research, 5%, takes place in 100 countries. In most of the underdeveloped countries, technical education is lacking. So you can very well understand the difference between developed and underdeveloped countries. The underutilization of resources is the another characteristic of underdeveloped economies. Another important feature of developed countries is that these countries are enriched with large natural, physical and human resource. Most of these remain underutilized and unutilized. For example, only 0.11% of the total water resource could be utilized in Africa, whereas it alone possesses 44% of total water resource. Hardly 14% of the total water resource in India are being utilized. As a result, our agriculture and industrial sector have been adversely affected due to underutilization of resources. जितना भी संसाधन है उसका कम इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, ज़रूरत से जितना इस्तेमाल हो सकता था उससे कम इस्तेमाल होता है, जिस कारण इकोनॉमी जो है अंडर डेवलप्ड है. नेक्स्ट कॉज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अंडर डेवलपमेंट इज अंडर डेवलप्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. क्योंकि जो संस्थागत ढांचा है वही अंडर डेवलप्ड है, इसलिए भी हमारी इकोनॉमी अंडर डेवलप्ड है. इट इज सेइंग that infrastructure in underdeveloped countries is inadequate and then underdeveloped. There is substantial shortage of transport and communication network and acute scarcity of cheap and regular power supply. Underdeveloped countries also lack well-developed money and capital market. Financial institutions like banks are quite inadequate, particularly in rural areas. There is also lack of entrepreneurial ability. Adequate infrastructure leads to poor economic development. The another cause is weak administration. प्रशासन भी कमजोर है. The administrative machinery is underdeveloped countries is not only weak and efficient but also corrupt. Weak भी है, inefficient भी है और corrupt भी है. Corrupt means उसको क्या कहते हैं? Corrupt means भ्रष्ट भी है. Due to the ignorance of people, bureaucrats may successfully misuse their authority and power in line of their pockets. So इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि these are the characteristics of underdeveloped economies that I have discussed just now. Now the next point, distinction between the developed and underdeveloped economies, that we will be discussing in the next video. This point I have discussed in detail. The next point I will be discussing in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.